Where is the headmaster? So we are not going there. Let him come here. Where is the headmaster? So DO, wano muteekawo ssente mekanga gavumenti sembera wano mwakateekawo ssente mekanga gavumenti mu kuzimba wano mu building temukolanko bajeti ya wano olina abasomesa bameka 24 teachers.
Yes.
What in wano 24?
Minister had transferred 3 over there without replacements.
The Minister of Education?
Yes.
So how many children do you have here?
Based on verification of February, 303.
How much money do you give them? Give me that paper. Bruno, give me that paper where I'm seated.
As you are waiting, this is the CD school.
For us, when we are getting
Not
this,
for you, what is this?
What-
Is it a CD school? Is it a what?
when we are getting it from the district, they told us it is a faith-based organization, faith-based secondary school, Kabuk SS.
So it's for who? Which faith?
Muslims.
So this is a Muslim school?
Exactly.
Mr. Dio, can you tell the minister the truth? Because you know
Because
this is a CD school.
What I'm talking about is the document we received from the district.
What's the name of the school?
Kabuk.
Show it to me here.
Kabuk SS.
It's government putting in some
Yes, yes.
So you said you have how many students?
By the time we verified, during that period, it was 303.
303. How come on government record it's 439?
On the system,
How come on government record it's 439?
them were asking the head teacher. But for
Where
us,
is the head teacher?
head counting, we verified that number.
Where is the inspector of school?
Don't put them to the what?
You are the inspector, you're the head teacher. How many children, how many students do you have?
Let's start from there.
361.
300 and?
61.
Why is the DO saying 303? Lwaki atugamba 303? You have said 303?
Yes.
He's saying 361. Government of Uganda is supporting 439.
But for us, we paid, according to verified, we paid
So
for these
what
ones.
did you pay? You
For
paid
these
for what?
ones. For verified the number under USE. That's what we paid.
301.
Yes.
The difference who pays.
We didn't pay.
Then why do you indicate them if they are not to be paid?
We go there and verify. After verifying the number of students on grassroots, those are the number we pay.
So what has government supported you in this school apart from teachers?
Apart from teachers, I think just salary, the salaries of the teachers, construction, we have not received anything. We have got books, these new curriculum books. We are getting some books, we have them there. I think that's the much.
So Nameere, do you have any other information regarding this school?
When the RCC and town clerk came to launch this school, what were they launching? What were they launching?
I wasn't around by that time.
RCC is there.
No, you are the inspector.
RCC, what were you launching?
What we want,
I did not physically launch here. My assistant who came and launched here. Where are you? Town clerk.
Honorable
How did you
Minister,
come
we
with?
want to establish, is it a government, is it a Muslim faith school? Then we need to establish that.
So it is a Muslim school or a government school?
It's a seed school. It's a
It's a city school?
Yes.
How big is the land?
The other one is saying
3.5
Acres.
Honorable, my deputy here of Nyendo Mukongo is the one who came.
So madam, what did you launch?
We did not launch anything.
So what did you come to do?
We came here for monitoring. They don't have toilets, they don't have seats.
So if they don't have toilets, why is the school operating?
That is the
Did
reason
you close it as RCC?
we made a recommendation
To who?
to the inspector of schools.
Where is the
where
inspector?
is he?
And in the book, the
Where
head
is the
teacher
inspector?
has in the visitors book.
You are the one. When she recommended that they don't have toilets, why did you leave them operate? Why did you leave them operate? And then number 2, government has supported this school with 26 million. Couldn't you remove 3 million to build a toilet?
No, we have built one.
Let me go and see it.
Do the students pay school fees
Honorable
or not?
Minister.
That is also important.
This is important because why I came in is, of course, about sanitation and hygiene. But we want the issue to be solved. He is saying it is the Muslim faith-based school.
Succeed school.
The youth one is saying it is a government
It is a school. It's a school for government.
So we want
But
to
government is yet to support you with more infrastructure, but it has catered for the biggest percentage of paying teachers. We are paying teachers as government, and we're also giving you 26 million to help you per year, to help you run. This is the allocation.
Per term.
This is allocation. Per term. So you are receiving 104 million. Mama Linda, you are receiving 100 million per year.
They receive 26 million per term.
And this is a city
26
school.
times 3, that is 76. 76 million, and you don't have a toilet, and you're a headmaster in a school.
No,
78.
the toilet is there. We have just put it. There's one we have put there.
Do the students
And,
pay school
and
fees
we're
or
also
not?
putting up this building there for
Do the students pay school fees or not?
They pay lunch fee,
How
How
much a term?
140.
Why do they pay 140? What are they eating? Let us go and talk to them. Let me have the microphone.
I need one thing.
And by the way, who authorized you? Who authorized you to charge 140?
The PT and the board.
The PT and the board. Did you get authorization from the ministry? Did the ministry authorize you?
Not from the ministry.
RCC. What does the law say?
The law says that in a government-aided school, or UPE or U's, students are not supposed to pay any extra fees. But where the school wanted to administer feeding, they write to the Minister of Education, then he seeks permission. That is when they can be authorized to make any extra payment.
Has the Minister of Education authorized you to make payment?
Not yet.
So did you write to Minister of Education?
I have not communicated with her.
So don't you think you are doing a wrong thing?
For how long have you collected these fees? You could tell the minister. For how long have you collected the one?
In the first place, I don't want. By the way, Headmaster, I don't want to blame you. I'll blame the head, the DHO, the DEO, the inspector of school. Actually, now these ones, actually the 3 of them are subject to investigation. Hold on, Baluku, all the 3, as we move, we shall move together. You investigate and they take statements. Let's go.
Mudde this side.
Come out, come out,
Mudde wali this side.
come out, come out.
Hello. You come, you stand this side. You come out, you stand this side. You open for them this side.
RCC toye eriwa gye bazimbye bambuliza emikazi yamukolerako.
Hold on.
Yakakumalako sente meka? Yakumalako how much? How much have you spent on it?
Bawara, eno ya bawara ya basajja. Angamba toilet.
And I'm going to ask them.
They can take a breakfast.
I'm going to ask them.
Yes, they take a breakfast.
eno yabawala nabalenzi oba bawala bo
ne toyi mugiteese ku bizimbe ewunyira abaana nga basoma. Toyi mwandikiteese wansi eri owatali bibiina, mugiteese wano ku bibiina wenyini abaana we basomera. No, abawala nibo babeera eno, abalenzi babeera eri wabbali. Lwaki oteeka toyi ku kibiina ky'abaana mazima ddala? Oli musiraamu munnange, olaba kyokola kituuse.
minisita oyinza omubuulira lwaki abalwanira ettaka lino ate nga somero lya
Bani abalwanira ettaka lino?
Ettaka lino lyatuweebwa, yatandika essomero lino yatuwettaga ettaka lya wano.
Bamuyitani?
Baali bamuyita Mwami Jagwe Muhammad. Kati bwe yatandika essomero lino alina bwe yalitandikira ery'ebbali eri ng'apangisayo bupangisa. Najja n'agula ekibanja wano. Kati bwe yagula ekibanja kino n'atandikako essomero lino. N'asaba mu minisitule nga limulemeredde tasasulwa litwala mu maaso.
So Jagwe ekibanja kino yakigula mu mwaka ki?
I think it should be around the 2017, 16, 17 there.
2017?
Around there.
So ekibanja yakigula kwani?
Omwami gwe kigulako simu.
Kati kuno kuliko ekyapa?
Ali mu ttaka lya Kabaka.
Then ate lwaki balikayanira? Kabaka yeffe. Nze ndi ffumo lya Kabaka.
Kituufu naye nga ttaka lya Kabaka.
Anti kati mugende mu Buganda Land Board muregulayizinge nti ettaka tulikozesanga essomero lya community. Mugendeyo, tewali muntu ajja kujagamba nti ettaka lyammwe nti balitwale. Buganda Land Board Katikkiro tasobola kugoba ssomero nti liveewo.
Era twagendayo process ebadde etambula twagendayo.
Ate lwaki minisita agamba nti waliwo aclaiming nti wawe?
Waliwo kakati
waliwo
simanyi kubanga saliwo
kakati awo DEO
simanyi.
aliwa?
It has not happened. When they want to take over,
Buruku,
they bring
I told you to be with that man. He has nowhere to go.
The school is entitled.
You must be with him, nowhere to go.
And
it's now my point of interest.
Because at times they are the ones who
DEO.
land grabbers.
I want to ask you, where is the inspector? Who authorized the government to take a school which has no land title, and we are funding in this very school 70, 80 million? If we had bought our own land.
We inherited this school from the mother district.
no problem.
And for the mother district, one of the main
So what is on file?
what is almost nothing.
So there is nothing on that file.
What we are facing is the district refused to hand over most of the files for these schools.
Can you tell the
And
minister?
even the-
Can
and
you tell
the-
the minister why you have not yet built a school, a real seed school in the land that you bought for that seed school? Because the owners are there who you bought that land from. You even overpriced it. Can you tell him
They bought
why
which
you
land? Where is that
It
land?
is there. It is in Nyendo. Can you tell him why you have not yet built a seed school?
Why haven't you
Honorable
built
Minister, construction is ongoing
at that place?
at that place.
Are you sure when the minister
It
goes
is
there, there's
ongoing.
a- Okay.
It is ongoing.
Why is,
From here
why
we are
is
going
that
there.
file-
Exactly.
What is the relationship between the ongoing construction and the complaint applied by some of our supporters?
Yeah, you can't.
The minister is
Can't,
there.
but Honorable Minister,
I want to ask
construction is
one question.
ongoing.
How do you take over? When was this facility handed over to government? Which year?
It's the headmaster tell us.
Headmaster,
We didn't get the file.
when did you start this school?
You mean
When did the government take over?
You have no
It took over in 2017.
2017. That's 9 years ago.
Yeah, about 9 years.
9 years ago. But the school, the land is for Kabaka.
The land is for Kabaka.
So now you need to write to
Kabaka is
the,
the owner.
I'm saying you need to write to the Sabasajja and legalize your stay and even ask for more land so that government can build the structures here. Because as of now, you don't have any document showing.
So you're sending 26 million every 3 months to a project that's not legally with government.
But I want to thank them that they have some students. How many students do you have?
Yeah, I have
361.
But in out county, you know that?
Just to the real seats.
Today I've come to your school. I'm with Honorable Nameere, Justine. She's a minister in the Ministry of State in charge of primary health. Honorable Nameere, she's the Minister of State in charge of local government. And the woman MP. And I'm also Balaam, the Minister in charge of local government. The reason why we have come to school today, we need to see the situation you are in. Do you have lunch here? Yes. What do they serve you for lunch? Yes. You pay for lunch? Yes. Is it compulsory or not compulsory? Compulsory. Everyone must pay for lunch? Yes. So the person who doesn't pay for lunch cannot study in class? No. Can you study in class without paying for lunch? Yes. Those ones, I want to ask you a question, answer. When you don't want to eat lunch, and you don't pay money for lunch, does the school stop you from studying or they don't stop you? They don't stop you. They don't stop you? Yes. You have exonerated your headmaster. But still you have to legalize it, the process. The money we are paying is quite a lot. So what do you have, lunch and what? And breakfast?
yes, and breakfast.
And breakfast?
Yes.
That's why you look healthy.
Yes.
Do they send you away for school fees? Yes. Baba go school fees? Yes. Baba go school fees. Yes or no? Yes. Young man, come. Give me a pen. So, Mama, go back to somebody who can say school fees. Yes? You don't want to send them enough? Yeah. So, what does a student have to go back? Yes? Yes? So, I want you to tell me, when you don't pay that money, they send you away from school? Yes. Tell me your name and tell me.
I would rather pass school. When we don't pay school fees, they send us back home. But our headmaster knows that our parents are not good in finance. You can come and talk with him so he can let you to come and sit in class and even get a lunch.
From senior theory class. They said that's up for school fees, but it's not compulsory that it's school fees, it's a lunch fee. They said that's up in time of exams. I'm not regular shot in senior one. They sent us back home for school fees, but it's just for lunch and for exams.
Headmaster, please come here. I want you to tell us what does the law say.
The law, I have learned that the law says public school, any corrections that are made must be authorized by the ministry.
By the Minister of Education.
By the Minister of Education.
Do you normally send them home for fees? No. Do you normally tell the truth?
Not normally. Seldomly, maybe I would say.
What is that?
Seldomly, I would say.
Seldomly.
Seldomly.
That means what? Seldomly means what?
That sometimes you send them back.
Not so often. Not so often.
And the answer is.
But I wanted also, Honorable Minister, to ask one of these students who are brought forward here. I want to know, have I ever sent you home for fees?
You are now intimidating our children. No. I forbid you. Can you apologize if you are not allowed to intimidate a witness? No. These are students confiding in a senior minister. You cannot start telling them, ask them, did I ever? No, please. Don't do it while we are here, even while we are waiting.
Honorable Minister, ndarakuyambye. Bwensikala mabega, nze ndisenga bano bazukulu bange. Abaana muno balimu categories. Mulimu abaana abasasula nga bafuna obubonero ne basasula ezo sente 150 school fees n'ebyokulya. Mulimu abaana abali mu ssomero lino era nga bajja ng'obubonero buli wansi abo babasasula nga ba private. Mulina abaana bw'ogenda mu classroom tebalina we batuula. Kati minisita agenda kulaba nze wange environment y'abaana ku masomero balina we batuula, balya bulungi, ekyo mukikakasiza, balina sanitation toilets ze bagendamu, ez'abalenzi zirabe okuwunya, ekyo kirala. Njagala kugende eri abawala, eri abaki, era nga minisita ensonga zange nnyo education ne Minister of Health ne government okulitaininga abaana bawala mu ssomero. Era bwenva wano ndabya abawala bangi kulwa ministry ne ku lwange ngenda kubawa ebikozesebwa mu nsonga.
Today we also have the RCC of Masaka City. I want to ask him, has he ever come to this school to confirm that you're not paying school fees? I want him to answer too. Has he invited the headmaster for a meeting on compulsory charging students fees that it is illegal? Because you can charge students money for food, those who are interested, but not everybody. Because there are those who are poor, who cannot afford lunch, but they can come with 1,000 and eat food. Sometimes even they come with their cassava and eat. That's what the president wants. The government of Uganda funds this school every term with 26 million.
I have sat these head teachers several times and told them it is illegal to send children home for fees you generate yourselves because it is illegal. Even all head teachers here have ever interacted with them. Specifically coming to this school through my deputies and assistants, I've been here, Honorable Minister.
Did they report to you that they were charging fees in this school? Did your deputy inform you that?
She did not inform me specifically that they are charging school fees in this school, but I have got reports that all UPE and youth schools in Masaka district, city, they charge fees and it is exorbitant, Honorable Minister.
What have you done as RCC?
In fact, as RCC, we sat with the security committee and resolved to begin arresting every defiant head teacher.
How many have you arrested?
So far not yet, but we are on the course of arresting them because they have become defiant.
Let every government agency do its work. but we should not torture the poor people. We should not torture the poor people. The poor people deserve free education given to them by the president. Government of Uganda sends 26 teachers. How many teachers? How many teachers? 28 teachers in this school, paid for by government. And no one earns less than $1 million maybe, or 800,000. You want to say something? You come and speak. Come up.
My name is Sasha Beneza from Seattle. Another problem we are finding in this school is those. We already sent
what?
Already sent back children to go and pick requirements, even though you pay in the first term. But some of the senior points were stopped from doing their examinations in mock. That paper was for physics, and you were sent back. The teacher for history refused to teach us in this term. We didn't have a lesson for history because we were not able to attend the seminar for history.
Now, Headmaster, you clap for that young lady. And the other make sure these children speaking out are protected. All the children who have spoken out should be protected. Nobody will touch you. Have you understood? Now that the dose who normally sends you away home and who makes you miss exam, when the exams have been paid for by the president, should also be interdicted immediately. They should leave this school immediately and investigate.
Part of the comments that the young lady raised, she's saying for a whole term they have not studied history. Was it this term or last term? This year. They have not studied history, but the history teacher is being paid by government. Alright, I think you should recommend or direct an arrest.
Where is that history teacher? He's not around. You are the history teacher. You come and speak. Come, stand here. But before that, I would like to see the dose. Let the dose come here and defend himself. He's not around. Now the dose from today onwards is not allowed to stay in this school. The history teacher who has absconded from school for a whole and is earning the head teacher, the history teacher who has absconded from school, the person who has absconded from his duty and is earning salary, the person who absconds from his duty and he earns government salary on a monthly basis, that one is also making a mistake. That is an act of corruption. That one must be charged in anti-corruption court, Kampala. So, we are going to give you
Students, take my number in case you are intimidated. 0701 42 41 09. 0701 42 41 09.
Are there male teachers sexually harassing you? Or you can tell me in secret. No. I will come back and you tell me in secret.
The dose. Bump microphone.
Where is the dose?
The dose is away.
Let them struck him off the payroll. Struck him off the payroll. Advertise that position for another person. Bam microphone. Mama, you can walk there. Inspector, I want the 26 teachers here.
That you pay here. Where are they?
Where are the teachers present?
Where
lwaki tobeera kwabwe 17 nga kulika yasoma history anandika okusaba abaana oba tali kupeera lwaki mumukozesaako nabeera nga asomesa alo 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 Hello? Lwaki abeera director of studies nga tali ku payroll? Why did you make him director of studies and yet he's not on the payroll? Why? Hard working and he sends people away and he's not teaching the whole term.
And most of these other people, since they don't have somewhere to start down, they are just
Where? They are coming, Papa.
Ono mwaka zinalaogere.
Thank you, Honorable Minister, for this opportunity. I want to ask, at what time are we supposed to come here at school? Because today morning and the last week we were caned as we students, and me myself, I came here at it was 7:40. And they caned some of our friends, but for me...
Let him answer why. What time are they supposed to report?
Yes.
They're supposed to be here, we told them to be here by 7:30. And by 8 lessons they're supposed to be here. That's what.
Honorable Minister, some of our friends, they are coming very far. When I come here at 7:40, yet the lessons are supposed to start at 8. Am I supposed to be caned? Why are they caning us? Even in the morning, me myself, I refuse.
I understand caning is not allowed. And I've been telling my teachers always that whoever canes has to resolve it.
For me, I refused. By some other, but there is that gentleman there, called himself Master Alan.
The reason as to why. Time for coming late is at 7:30. It was directed by the boss that everyone who exceeds 7:30, he or she should be punished. In the way that by the time, by cane. I was directed by the boss. No?
This one must be the same.
What